While following a tart recipe, we are often told to transfer the tart dough into the tart shell or line the tart shell with it, but nobody teaches us how. So today I'll teach you. The first thing we have to do is make sure that the pie dough or the tart dough that we've rolled out is big enough to cover the base and the sides of the tart tin. Then there are two methods that can be used. I'll first teach you the traditional one, in which you take a rolling pin and gently roll your whole dough on that rolling pin. Pick up the rolling pin with the dough and then gently lay it on the tart tin. Then you will take the sides of your tart dough and start tucking them in line with the walls of the tart tin. Then you will continue this process for all the sides. But this method, I believe, is slightly complicated and requires more experience. So there is an easier way for beginners. All you have to do is take the rolled out tart dough and then gently, very gently, fold it in without making any hard creases. Lightly fold it in like this, and then you have a neat pack of dough in your hand, which is very easy to move, and simply place it in the center of your tart tin. Then open all the folds of your dough, and now it is nicely laid on your tart tin. Then again we'll do the process of tucking in the sides from all around, and then once you're done with that, you see we have this excess dough around. We need our tart shell to have neat edges. So all this excess dough, simply fold it towards the outside. There's nothing fancy about it, just make it fold or bend towards the outside. Now this is what it looks like. Now I'll take my rolling pin and just run it across a few times. This way it gets in line with the tart tin very nicely, and the shell that we'll get will have nice and equal edges all around.